Let's understand the word alumina. The word alumina refers to a chemical compound made from aluminum and oxygen. Its scientific name is aluminum oxide. It's commonly used in making ceramics, glass, and as a raw material in aluminum production. It is strong, heat-resistant, and found in materials like sandpaper and spark plugs. Example 1. The factory used alumina to produce high-strength ceramic tiles. In this sentence, alumina helped create materials that can withstand heat and pressure. Example 2. Alumina is a key ingredient in the process of refining aluminum. In this sentence, alumina plays an important role in industrial metal production. Now, let's talk about some words that have a similar meaning. Aluminum oxide, industrial ceramic, oxide compound. This word does not have a direct opposite.